process of moving, like back to the States. So like all my other furniture is just gone. I'm literally living out my suitcase. My desk. Oh, I forgot to tell you. This broke off earlier. I'm so sad. This was on my camcorder. This is a jellyfish. Because I love jellyfish. Just put this somewhere for now.
1940s, 1950s, so collected and photographed by the characteristics of this documentary film is capturing its mood and atmosphere.
So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and kind of like this style of filming, just entirely on my camcorder. So this camcorder is a hand-me-down from my mom. I still have videos of my early childhood on here. I wanted to film more of my memories on my camcorder, and essentially I wanted to create a series just filming on my camcorder. There's a lot of factors that I wanted to include when making these types of videos. For example, like the editing process, the type of music I use, maybe font choices, and other little things like that that add to the video that could make it seem more, I guess, but for now I'm still developing like my style for these types of videos and how I want to go about it, especially for this entire series, because it is something that I do want to continue and add on to. There's so much more I want to talk about, but for now I'll just leave it at that. I'll explain more about it once I have more of a clear explanation, because I have the thought in my head, I have the idea in my head, but I want to give like a clear explanation once I have it all down. But for now, I'll leave it at that. This is one of my plushies. Okay, anyways, I'm getting off topic. This video is just about my camcorder. I hope you guys are looking forward to many more of these type of videos from me. That's all for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching and stay tuned for more videos in this series. Bye bye!